What if I told you that simply imagining your success could rewire your brain to make it a reality? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the brutal truth. Most people drift through life on autopilot, letting doubts and distractions derail their dreams. Yet, with visualization, that's imagining task completion in vivid detail and affirmations, you can prime your brain for action, build unbreakable resilience, and spark quiet, consistent transformation. Today, in 2026, we're unlocking this game-changing formula. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have the tools to shift your mindset and crush your goals. Let's dive into the heart of it. I'll break this down into 7 practical principles, blending science-backed advice with ancient wisdom from practices like Stoicism and modern neuroscience. Each one includes a short inspirational tale to make it relatable, because stories stick, and they show how these habits lead to real mindset shifts and resilience. Remember, this isn't about overnight miracles. It's about those quiet, daily actions that compound into massive change. Principle 1. Grasp the science of brain priming. First things first, understand why this works. Visualization and affirmations aren't just feel-good fluff. They literally rewire your neural pathways. According to neuroscience research, when you practice self-affirmations, areas like the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, responsible for positive self-valuation and processing, light up, making you more receptive to growth. Similarly, visualization tricks your brain into treating imagined success as real experience, priming it for action by strengthening those mental connections. Ancient wisdom from Buddhist traditions echoes this, using imagery to cultivate focus and motivation. Now, picture Alex, a struggling writer, paralyzed by self-doubt. One day, he starts affirming, "I am a confident creator," while visualizing his book launch. At first, it's awkward, but over weeks, his brain shifts, doubts fade, and he finishes his manuscript. That quiet resilience is the power of priming in action. Principle 2. Craft affirmations that resonate deeply. Start by creating personalized affirmations in the present tense, like, "I am taking bold action toward my goals." Backed by studies, affirmations reduce defensiveness to challenges, helping you view obstacles as opportunities and boosting motivation for behavior change. Affirm what you control, like your effort to build inner strength. Take Sarah, a single mom overwhelmed by her job search. She whispers daily, "I am resilient and attract opportunities," feeling the words sink in. Months later, after rejections that tested her, she lands her dream role. Not by luck, but by that consistent mindset shift fostering quiet transformation. Principle 3. Visualize with all 5 senses. Don't just see your success. Feel it, hear it, taste it. Research shows visualization activates the brain similarly to real events, enhancing motivation and performance by mentally rehearsing actions. Ancient shamans used sensory imagery for healing. Today, it's your tool for priming proactive steps. Imagine Mike, an aspiring runner doubting his marathon finish. He visualizes crossing the line, the crowd's roar, sweat on his skin, the sweet taste of victory. This builds resilience against fatigue. Race day, he powers through, transformed by that mental prep. Principle 4. Combine affirmations and visualization for synergy. As you visualize completing a task, repeat affirmations like "I am capable and driven." Studies confirm this duo amplifies goal achievement by fueling determination and improving self-image. From Eastern wisdom, this integration cultivates a harmonious mind-body flow. Consider Lena, battling anxiety before presentations. She visualizes nailing her speech while affirming, "I speak with confidence and impact." The emotional high from this practice turns fear into fuel. Her first big talk? A standing ovation, proving resilience through consistent priming. Principle 5. Build a daily ritual for consistency. Make it non-negotiable, 5 to 10 minutes, morning and night. Science links regular visualization to reduce stress and better focus, priming your brain for sustained action. Ancient Greek philosophers preached daily reflection for virtue. Apply it here for quiet, compounding growth. Think of Tom, an entrepreneur hitting burnout. He commits to evening sessions, affirming, "I am balanced and productive," while visualizing workflow ease. Over time, this shifts his mindset. Business booms. Resilience shines through setbacks. Principle 6. Use visualization and affirmation to overcome mental barriers. When doubts creep in, visualize navigating obstacles and affirm your strength. Research shows this mental contrasting boosts motivation by balancing optimism with realism. Embrace the struggle to forge unbreakable will. Meet Eva, facing career failure after a layoff. She visualizes rebuilding, affirming, "I rise stronger from challenges." The emotional depth, tears turning to triumph, builds her back up. New job? Secured, with a mindset armored for life. Principle 7. Track and refine for long-term mastery. Journal your sessions and progress. Adjust as needed. Studies indicate visualization enhances goal focus and adaptability, priming ongoing motivation. Ancient wisdom urges self-examination. This ensures your practice evolves with you. Finally, recall Jamal, overweight and demotivated. Tracking his visualizations of fitness milestones, paired with affirmations like, "I am healthy and energetic," leads to a 50-pound loss. His quiet transformation, a testament to resilient, iterative change. Whew, that was a deep dive, friends. But imagine the resilience you'll build by priming your brain this way. Here's your call to action. Pick one principle today, maybe crafting your first affirmation, and implement it right now. Feel that shift? Subscribe for more motivational gold to fuel your 2026 glow up. Hit that like button if this resonated, and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. What goal will you visualize first? Let's make this year legendary. See you next time.